Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product review. And the product that we are going to review today is a new Amul Malai Paneer, and this is in the cube form that I bought. So this is the product that we are going to review today. It's a Malai Paneer from the brand of Amul. So let's get down to the review of the product. So first thing first guys, let's look at the packaging of the Amul Malai Paneer. How does the packaging of the product look? What all information is available on the packaging of the product. So right here on the face of the product we can see the Amul branding right on top here, Amul branding given here, and then we have the name of the product, that is Malai Paneer, mentioned here. Next is the storage information, which is keep it frozen, so you need to keep it frozen. Next thing they are mentioned here, power protein. So let me tell you all that Paneer is a great source of protein, and for vegetarian it is a very good source of protein because they do not have meat. So the Amul Malai protein contains like a total of 20 grams of fat per 100 gram serving. So it has 20 grams of protein per 100 grams of serving. So that is the amount of protein. So it is a very protein packed paneer from Amul here. The next thing that we can see on the packaging right here is the information of how to use the paneer. Basically it says thaw this packet in boiling water for 30 minutes before cooking. So you need to thaw the paneer for 30 minutes in boiling water before you cook it. So that is the storage information again, and apart from that we can see the paneer illustration shown here. And yeah, they are shown some tomatoes and peas as well here, but the main focus is on the paneer. Moving to the back of the pack, behind the pack they are given instructions for use, basically how to use it. Store in the deep freezer of your refrigerator. Take out the required quantity to be cooked from the pack and keep it in boiling water for at least 30 minutes before cooking. Once removed, do not refreeze. Keep remaining Amul Malai Paneer back in the freezer after folding the pack. So that is again the storage information they have given. Then they have mentioned a recipe for Handi Paneer here on the packet. Going down, there is information given for the consumers to provide feedback. They can provide feedback over phone or email, or even write them a letter as well. Moving on to the right side, they are given the nutritional value of the paneer, and here we can see this paneer has a total calories of 323 calories, and the total amount of protein, like I told you before, is 20 grams. Right. Coming to the ingredients of the paneer are milk solids and citric acid. The net weight of this packet is 100 grams. This is a 100 gram paneer packet, Malai Paneer packet from Amul, and it is priced at rupees 39. The MRP of 400 grams of Malai Paneer from Amul is 39 rupees. And moving on, let's go to the shelf life. Let's figure out what is the shelf life of the product. So the shelf life of the product is 180 days from packaging when stored frozen at minus 18 degrees Celsius. So this Amul Malai Paneer has a shelf life of 180 days when kept frozen at minus 18 degrees Celsius. So that is the shelf life of the paneer. So let's go ahead and unwrap or unbox the Malai Paneer and look at the texture of the paneer. So I'm just going to tear it open right now, and here we go. So here are the paneer cubes, so I'll just remove them in the plate, show you. So I have a plate here, I'll just remove all the paneer pieces in that. So here are all the paneer pieces that we got with the Amul Paneer. So you can see the Amul Paneer pieces here. So yeah, so this is the Amul Paneer that has come. So it is still frozen, it's still in frozen form because Like the information on the packet says that you need to keep it frozen, and before cooking it, 30 minutes before it, you need to thaw it in boiling water. So we are going to thaw it in boiling water before we use it for cooking. So we are going to do that. So let's look at the product itself. Let's look at the paneer. The texture is like it's not a perfect cube, like the product comes slightly broken and stuff, but still like it's cut into cubes here. So this is the paneer piece that has come in, and we can see that there's no smooth cutting off of the pieces as well. So yeah, you can see this, and it's really crumbly. The paneer is a bit crumbly here, but yeah, we're gonna do a taste test for this, and we're gonna tell you how does the product taste. So stay tuned for the taste test.